Okay, so She-Hulk, season 1, episode 6, Just Jen. And that's right down to the opening, where instead of She-Hulk, attorney at law, it says Just Jen, attorney at law. I forgot to mention last week, uh, that episode, the opening credit was She-Hulk by She-Hulk by Titania. Yeah. So, this episode, after all the hype set up the episode before, they gave us a wedding episode, and they point that out like they know what they're doing. And I thought that was funny, like right at the beginning. And they had a good reason because that's how weddings are. They're nowhere inconvenient. So basically, Jen goes to her friend's wedding, uh, and there's no Daredevil at all, and it's not been mentioned. So yeah, she goes to her friend's wedding, and she first shows up as She-Hulk, and her friend has this look like, "What the fuck? This is my wedding," you know? And she's like, "I wanted, Jennifer here, not She-Hulk." And it's like, all right. But then it goes on like her friend is not likable. Like most of the people there aren't likable. The most likable person there, aside from Jen, is Titania, and also her lovable dumbass cousin Shed, who was in the previous episode too, trying to sell some of that fake She-Hulk stuff from Titania, but he wanted Jen to sign it. Just a lovable dumbass. And in this one, he's a DJ, uh, and his DJ name is DJ Incredible Hulk. And he's awesome in this. He's hilarious. There's a point where he uses an air horn, and the subtitle says obnoxious air horn sound. I didn't know there was a such thing as an obnoxious air horn, but okay. But yeah, so yeah, her friend, just one thing after the other. Like, she wants Jen to walk the aisle with a dog, you know. Uh, she, again, wants Jen there, not She Hulk, and all this stuff. And and while that's going on, Nikki, that's her friend's name. Nikki, uh, is with the other lawyer woman, and there was someone named Mister Immortal, who, as you can probably imagine from his name, is immortal. And because of this, he's been with a lot of people. And you would think someone who's immortal would learn to tell someone they don't want to be with them, but no, his method is to just take his own life, like, because he doesn't like conflict. Like when Nikki and the other lawyers start really like getting into it, the dude just jumps out the window, and he tries to like take his own life again when all of his spouses are in the room. Well, all his living spouses or ex-spouses are in the room, mostly women, but one dude, good on him. When they're all in there and they're all just arguing over each other, somebody was like, "Why take your mother?" Somebody was like, "Well, why does she get more?" It was like, "Well, I had his kid, but why are you paying for your mistake?" And dude tries to take his own life, but to like grab him and sit him down. And Nikki was awesome in this episode. Nikki, like, she's been awesome in the last few episodes. She was awesome in this one. She really was. It was literally her and Jen. They were so awesome this whole episode. Like, she's getting it done. She's a mediator. Like, she's a mediator, talking to them, getting them what they want. In some cases, it's the simplest thing. Like, he had to give her, legally give one of his ex-wives, like 15 seconds of uninterrupted eye contact. And he was like, that's a bit much. And he's just like, right, 20 seconds. And I kind of agree with that, because you can probably know that I don't look at my own self when I make these videos. Eye contact kind of weirds me out. So I get that one. But she's also doing, like, you get this much and that much. She's keeping the order. And it's awesome. So at the wedding, Jen is just one thing after the other again. And so she starts drinking on to find it's a cast bar. Damn. and again, these people at this wedding, most of them suck. She meets this dude, and I'm glad it wasn't just me. I watched other reviews and reacting. I'm glad it's not just me raising an eyebrow. Like, he seems cool, but I don't know. And he seems to like Jen as well as She-Hulk, which is good. And so she meets this dude, they hit it off, and then and the whole time Jen believes Titania's there to like to fuck with her, to you know to do that, and well she is like she straight up like just punched the shit out of her at one point. It was like, I blame you for all this. It was she beat her in court fair and square. Jen literally said that, and she's fighting Jen, by the way, not She-Hulk. And it was like, damn. And finally, She-Hulk's just like on the ground, drunk as just drunk, and Titania's like, come on, transform. You're only fun when you're She-Hulk. Was again the polar opposite of what her friend said, but yeah, alleged friend. Anyway, but yeah, so Jen tries to transform, but forgets how, which is hilarious. She's like, and then she finally gets it, and of course, whoops Titania, and Tatiana Maslany was just, again, I was like, I did not know she was this good. I know about Orphan Black, but I didn't know she's hilarious. And Drunk Jen is hilarious. Like that's hilarious. I mean, and then the episode ends with the people who attacked her with a needle and failed, making an even bigger needle. And it's like, alright. So, yeah, and that's how the episode ends. Now, after credit scene, once again, I understand Daredevil, but why this time around? Anyway, I like this one. This was a fun episode. It really was. I'm surprised I didn't point out how, like, kind of cheap wedding episodes are to just pull in viewers. I'm surprised I didn't reference that, but I love this one. I really did. That's all I have. Thank you for watching. Oh, yeah. I'm hearing stuff like, I've been hearing Mephisto rumors for a while, since before She-Hulk. But with Titania, she got her powers from Doctor Doom, right? Which, that's another thing. Doctor Doom, I've been hearing rumors of him as well. It would lines up perfectly with another rumor I've been hearing about a certain cast member from How I Met Your Mother showing up as a certain fantastic superhero, but I don't want to, But yeah, and so Mephisto, I meant to reference this with Madison because she had the hard. I said it was unexplained. Mostly was, but she did kind of explain it, like real quick. I guess I didn't pick it up. And a lot of people are saying that was Mephisto. She made a deal with him. And I seen this real cool picture of her with a heart and a drink. And I don't know. Mephisto is a scary motherfucker. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching.